Hey guys, it's Erin aka StrawberriChan and I'm back with another video in my lacy bunny ears. Can you see all of me? I think you can, yeah. So this is a pretty big video today because I've been wanting to get this case for so long and it's finally here. So this is a Killstar unboxing, but I'm only unboxing one thing and it is my CASKET suitcase. Now I know when this first came out everyone really wanted one and it sold out super quick. I was gutted because I wanted one for Christmas, but they've just bought them back in stock a couple of months ago and I'm going away and I'm in dire need of a new suitcase, so I thought why not treat myself. So I'm gonna unbox it. It is in a very massive box. I've got my scissors here, trusty scissors here, and it's not actually that big as I thought it was gonna be, but it's pretty large. So it's in here. It even has on the box coffin luggage. So I am gonna unbox this and then I'm gonna take my camera off my tripod so you can get a proper look at it and see what it's all about. Just you have to bear with me because I have to cut this bad boy open, which is easier said than done because they do pack, Killstar do pack their shit really tightly. So I'm just gonna so yeah, it is just coming out of the box. I'm birthing a suitcase. So that's that box. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. My dog will probably use it as a chew toy. So it's in this plastic sort of bag as well, so it is really like heavily protected. So I'm just gonna take this off, and it comes in this really well bagged. Like normally when you get stuff sent, they don't really put a lot of packing on, but this is like really good. So bag isn't like the bag isn't working for me. There we go. Wow, I've spent 4 minutes trying to get this out of here. So I'll just take the plastic off the hanger, the carrier thing, if I can get it off. So this is it here. This is the shape. Oh, I've got it around the wrong way. So this is it here. Just take that off. So yeah, it is not that humongous. I thought it was going to be humongous, but it's actually really cute, especially if you're going anywhere like overnight. It's pretty like handy because you know you don't want to carry loads. It's really hollow as well. It's like a drum. And I love the little Killstar bat that they've put on it. I think that's really pretty. Oh, I'm just going to change my camera angle so you can get a better look at it. I will do a little bit of voiceover. I mean, like, if you're not bored of my voice. So I'm going to move those scissors out of the way. And I'm going to put them over there. So let's go have a look at it properly. Okay, so this is the case here. So I'm sorry that I have really shitty lighting in my house, but I'll hold it this way. So we have the Killstar embellishment, which is this really nice metallic looking plastic, and it has Killstar. I love bats, and it's in this really nice coffin shape that I really love. I love coffins and spooky things. I even have coffin shelves, so it matches well. And it has these, it's a wheelie case, so you can wheel it around. Inside it even has Killstar written on the buckles too, and it is, you can carry it. It does have a little carry hanger here. It has a little carrier so you can carry it around. And yeah, so I'm going to open it inside. So this is the inside of what it looks like. It has the Killstar, like, I don't know what fabric you call this, lining in. So it has Killstar written on the lining. It does have, it's very deep, so I think you can pack quite a lot in there, like if you're just going away for a couple of nights somewhere. It's got this buckle so it keeps everything in, so nothing bursts out. It's got this nice little buckle here, and I think you can put stuff like in here too, like there's a really deep part here which I've just found, so there's loads of room to pack stuff. And yeah, I can't really go, I think that's it, but I hope they do like other stuff like this, because I would love to get more stuff like this, like more Killstar things like this. It is so nice. I just love the Killstar bat. So yeah guys, that's my Killstar suitcase that's just came today. I will be going on a lot of adventures and I'm going to do a lot of like packing videos because I'm going to Blackpink, HorrorCon and BTS, so there is going to be a lot of use for this, it's just sitting there. You can see my Ryan bear in the background just chilling, and it actually matches my like sign. So yeah guys, if you do like the video, please give it a like, that'd be awesome. And if you do love it, please subscribe to the channel because it really does help me out. And you know, to be YouTube famous, I mean, I'm not like super famous, but I like to have I like to meet everyone on my followers. So yeah, and if you don't like it, poo you while watching the video, go eat pocky and smile. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is coming out soon, so I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.